for joining me today. It's Andrea here, and today I'm going to show you how to make chow mein with chicken. I don't know what it is about chow mein that's so comforting, but when I think about this dish, I think about lounging on my couch with my jammies on, binge watching my favorite series at the moment with a big old bowl of seemingly endless chow mein. So let's get started. First, we'll make the sauce, which will not only be used to marinate our chicken, but also will be tossed in with our noodles to give it that delicious, savory flavor. In a small bowl, combine half a tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of Chow wine, half a tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of pepper. Since we're making chicken chow mein, we're going to, of course, need some chicken. I'm using chicken thighs because I like how juicy and tender the meat is, but if you prefer, you can use chicken breasts instead. Cut 2 boneless, skinless chicken thighs into thin strips and marinate the chicken with 1 tablespoon of the sauce. Set this aside for 15 minutes to let the flavor infuse into the meat and to tenderize it. Okay, so chow mein also will usually have an assortment of bite-sized veggies. I'm going to be using Chinese cabbage, carrots, green onion, and garlic, which is a common mix. So finely chop 2 cups worth of Chinese cabbage, mince 2 cloves of garlic, julienne 1 carrot, and slice 1 green onion into quarters. You'll also need 200 grams of chow mein noodles, 1 handful of bean sprouts, and 1/4 cup of unsalted chicken stock. I always have homemade chicken stock in my freezer, so I'll be using a 1/4 cup of my own chicken stock. Also, a tiny note about the noodles. If you weren't able to find chow mein noodles like I wasn't able to find, you could substitute the noodles with instant noodles. When your chicken is done marinating, heat up a wok over medium-high heat until it starts to smoke. Add in 1 tablespoon of oil and the chicken. Stir frequently for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the chicken is no longer pink. Remove the chicken from the wok. Add another tablespoon of oil together with the garlic and give a couple of quick tosses before adding in the carrots and the cabbage. Let these cook for 3 to 5 minutes until they start to soften. Once this is done, add in the chicken stock and deglaze the bottom by scraping away any stuck-on bits, if necessary. Stir in the sauce and add the noodles in. Toss until the noodles are slightly softened, but not too much because you don't want soggy noodles. Add in the bean sprouts, toss. Add in the green onion, toss, and finally, add the chicken back in, toss, and serve. And here it is, friends, chow mein with chicken. Fast and easy. All you need now is a good series to watch and some comfy clothes to slip into, and you'll have yourself a perfect night in. This recipe is enough for our little family of 4, which includes 2 little mouths. Thank you again for joining me today. If you tried out my recipe, please leave a comment below on how it turned out. I'd love to know. If you liked my video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more fun food ideas. Until next time, friends. Mwah!